I'm not naked. Here's a shirt. Hey guys, welcome back to Eat with Justine, and today I have White Castle burgers, and this is like not from White Castle itself, but it is from the freezer section, because they had the White Castle burgers and I was like, oh, these sound so good right now. And excuse my hair, it's just been in a bun for like the past 30 minutes or so, and I don't know what's going on with it, but whatever. And I also went to go get some zucchini fries, and then I have a Sprite on the side. So I've been waiting to eat for the longest time already, so let's get right into it. I love zucchini fries. Let's eat. This is how the little freezer White Castle burgers look after you microwave them. They're so easy, they're so simple. I'm just craving them. Alright. And I also wanted to talk to you guys about, like, I usually don't do this kind of stuff in the beginning of my videos, but if you haven't already, whoa, I look crazy. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. There are a lot of like changes and stuff that are going on in YouTube right now, and like my videos won't get circulated as, I don't know what's going on there, won't get circulated as often as they usually do. So if you're not subscribed, you probably won't see my videos in your feed and stuff, because I'm a smaller YouTuber, and I don't know, just make sure you're subscribed. I love these banana peppers. And I love zucchini fries. And this is also, this whole meal is so good right now. This is also my favorite kind of ranch. Well, it's not the same kind of ranch that like you get in a bottle. It's like, I don't know what it is, but it's really, really good. I think they make it like sour cream, if I'm not mistaken. So good. So this one time I was in Vegas, and we were day drinking, and then one of my friends like wakes me up. Put some ranch? They wake me up, and then they're like, I'm pretty drunk still at the time when they were waking me up. They wake me up and they're like, Justine. I'm like, what, dude, what? Do you want to go get some White Castle? I bolted up. I bolted up from the bed and I was like, hell yeah. White Castle sounds so bomb right now. So I think we drove. Worst idea ever. We drove to White Castle. We had to find parking. And then, like, the parking for that area is, like, super duper duper far away. So we parked. And we walked. And, like, while we were walking to White Castle, there's this girl. I think she's just coming back from the day club because she has a bathing suit on. No shoes. Only her cell phone. She's, like, on the phone. I guess she's trying to find a ride or something. And she's walking barefoot in the parking lot. I was like, ooh, disgusting. Her feet were, like, dirty. So dirty. So I asked if she's okay, and she said, yeah, she's fine. Pass her up. We get to White Castle. Obviously, I'm still drunk. And I go there, and they have this, like, briefcase full of burgers. And it literally comes in, like, a briefcase, like a cardboard briefcase. Like, I have to get that. I think it was, like, 45 bucks. And it came with, like, I think 50 burgers. It lasted us the whole trip. We just left it in the room, and, like, every once in a while someone will go pick up a cold burger and just eat it straight out of the box like that, like hooligans, like the hooligans we are. White Castle will always have, like, a soft spot in my heart because I just love it. I love it so much. And, like, if you're in one of those, like, settling moods and you don't want to go anywhere, you just want to kind of stay at home, put on Harold and Kumar Go to White Castle. It's so funny. And you guys, please excuse my hair. I'm looking crazy right now. Oh. I was about to dip this in ranch. Fuck it. That's a big one. Yeah. If you haven't seen it, Thien just put out a new video, you guys. He hasn't put out a new video in a long time. I think I could leave, like, a link for it up here, and if I can't, then I just put it here for nothing, but I'll leave, like, a link for him in the description box below. Check out his video. Tell him Justine sent you and that I love him and I miss him. And yeah, and then I miss him a lot. My stomach feels so full right now. I think I just pounded through that, like, way too quick. I'm not naked. There's a shirt. Oh, I got teary-eyed. Oh, I feel a little less full. Alright, last burger. Nothing will ever beat like fresh White Castle, but this will have to do since I don't have White Castle near me. I enjoy breathing all heavy. Guys, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come on, come here, sit. I'll give him one with more zucchini. This one's like just all fried stuff. Alright, this one's mostly zucchini. That's too big. He's being so spoiled right now. I usually do not give him this much food. God, I'm scared. I'm scared for our walk later. I'm kind of struggling, you guys, but we could do this. I inhaled at the wrong moment. No more for you guys. Don't look at me like that. Does it look like I'm naked? I have a shirt on. Oh my god. Alright, this is the last bite of the burger. He's so quick. I'll eat all the breading off. He can have just the zucchini. That was so good, you guys. Okay. No more. I cannot eat anymore at all. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, smash my face right here to subscribe. And until next time, guys, come back and eat with me again soon, okay? Bye!